In this video, I will show you how to insert union symbol in Microsoft Word document. Type 222. Now press Alt plus X. For using this shortcut, you can type union symbol. Triple 2A, Alt plus X. And search here union symbol and copy it. Hopefully you will get in result. So copy it and paste here. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.